Well, hello, my friends. Time now for another Big Matt's food review. And this time I am over here at Sonic. I've reviewed the cheeseburger from Hardee's. You can go check out that video. And you can also check out, the only other time I reviewed Sonic, I reviewed the foot-long chili cheese coney. You can check that out, check that video as well. This time it's going to be just a cheeseburger, and I'm going to kind of maybe start as soon as I can, a little series of comparison videos between cheese burgers or food, whatever, from different chain restaurants, and we'll see how that goes. So go ahead and cue the intro, and we'll be back. Alright, and welcome back. And so I used the app. It's on a $2, $3, $4 menu. Junior cheeseburger, $2.99 with tax, $3.27. So here we go. Like how it's wrapped, you know. And we're gonna open her up here. I still don't have my holder with me, so all right. Boy, Sun. I mean, it has a little bit of a. It's fresh, but it's not. It's hot, but it's not too fresh. It comes with ketchup and mustard. And there's your pickles, your burger, and your processed cheese. And it's really not much, to say the least, on it. So, and I normally am not a mustard eater, so I'm ordered it the way it comes for y'all. Once again. Alright, let's go ahead. And burger's kind of not too, it's kind of thin actually, but it is a junior cheeseburger, so let's go ahead and just get it. They only put maybe a drop of ketchup and a drop of mustard, so it's hard to taste that. It doesn't really a whole lot of flavor. It really doesn't. I'm like I said, I don't normally get cheeseburgers. Whenever I do come to Sonic, I normally get the foot-long chili cheese dog or a regular chili cheese dog with tater tots. But when you look at this, you can tell the bun's been sitting out there for a while. Kind of hard, but soft, medium, and hard. Oh boy, this is going to be tough. Just got a taste of the mustard that time. it's kind of really hard to give it a good rating, and I like Sonic. But since I started this new rating system, 1 to 100, 1 to 50 being I wouldn't recommend it, 50 to 50 and above, I'd recommend you give it a try. And I just noticed, if I came a little bit later, the cheeseburgers are half price on Tuesdays. So I could have got it for a little bit cheaper, but anyway, whatever. Boy, it's really hard to give this one a good rating. And I'm being honest here. I would give this a 55 out of 100. It was hot. It didn't have a whole lot of flavor to it at all. So, Sonic, you can do better on your burgers. I mean, yeah, I mean, that's the best. I mean, in the future, I'll give it a try again, see if I can get a bit better rating. But hey, there you have it. And being honest, that's my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep on liking and keep on subscribing, share, everything else. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot.